Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am BD and today I'm presenting a video showing how I created these 3 delicious summer cocktail recipes. So if you want to see how I did that, just keep watching. So if you have not already seen my Countertop Bar Station video, I will leave a link in the description box below. It will show you everything that you may need to create these cocktails and more for summertime and beyond. So if you want to check that video out, definitely check the description box for a link. But for right now, let's jump into these cocktail recipes. For the first drink, I'm calling this one the Super Berry Frost. It is a nice frozen drink, and I'm going to be adding some frozen berries to it. This package is from Aldi, and it has blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries in it. So I'm adding about a cup of those to my blender, and then I'm going to add this strawberry puree to the mix. I'm using about a half a cup of that. And I mean, this is a cocktail, so we have to have the alcohol. So I'm going to add 2 ounces of vodka as well. And of course, for the frosty part, I need to add some ice. So I'm just going to add some ice cubes to the blender as well and blend everything until it is nice and smooth. This beverage is nice, frothy, sweet, and delicious, and gives you that little bit of that you need for summertime, and it's super easy to make. Next up is this gorgeous glowing concoction. So this is going to be the electric slide. Right now I'm just adding some ice cubes to my glass, and I'm going to start with about an ounce of tequila, and to that I'm also going to add a half ounce of Midori. A couple of splashes of lemon add a nice little flavor combo, and I'm going to of course add some simple syrup, about a teaspoon of that, and I'm going to top everything with this 7-Up. You can use whatever kind of lemon lime soda you like, but isn't this gorgeous? It's just electric and it tastes so good. My favorite part is that the melon liqueur blends so nicely with the citrus. It's so summery and beautiful. I love it. Last but certainly not least is the sweet peach ring drink. I am going to add some ice to my glass, and I'm going to also add some ice to my shaker because I really want this to be nice and cold. I'm going to start with just shy of 2 ounces of rum, and to that I'm going to add about an ounce of Grand Marnier, which is an orange liqueur with some cognac. Going to incorporate some of this white peach puree, about 2 ounces of that, and I'm going to finish it off with some of this Simply Peach juice drink to really bring that peach flavor to the table. To complete this drink, I'm adding a couple splashes of grenadine to the drink. It's going to settle nicely at the bottom to give us that transitional gradient color like you would see on peach ring candy. And the candy is a nice added garnish, an edible garnish, which we love. And this one is just so summery, so refreshing. I love peach everything, so that one was like a really fun one to make. I hope this video helped to inspire you to create a bit of ambiance at home and get some nice fun beverages for the season. If you are planning to try these out, definitely leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!